Are you looking for the top 5 best Casio G-Shock watches you need? How much should you actually spend on a watch? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, F91W series. The Casio F91W series is a classic digital watch that caught my attention with its simple design and unbeatable price at just $21.92. If you want a reliable, lightweight watch that covers the essentials, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With features like a daily alarm, LED light, and a 1/100-second stopwatch, it's perfect for everyday tasks. The 30-meter water resistance means it can handle splashes, ideal for daily wear. Plus, it boasts a battery life of up to 7 years. Imagine not having to change the battery for almost a decade. Now, some people complained about the watch's minimal features and lack of advanced technology. Here's the thing though, if you need a straightforward, no-frills watch for basic timekeeping, that's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly timepiece for everyday wear. Skip this one if you want something with more features or a sporty aesthetic. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the simplicity of the F91W didn't meet your need,
Product number 2, A158WA series. Next up is the A158WA series, a unisex digital watch that embraces a vintage vibe, retailing for $29.83. If you're after a stylish watch that doesn't skimp on functionality, this is worth a serious look. What makes this watch great? It features a luminous rectangular dial with a daily alarm and a stopwatch, which is ideal if you're a fan of retro designs. The 3-link bracelet not only looks classy, but it also feels secure on your wrist. With a water resistance that can withstand splashes, it's perfect for everyday wear, though not for swimming. That luminous display helps you check the time even in low light, which is super convenient. Now, some users found the bracelet too tight or uncomfortable after extended wear, but honestly, that's pretty common with many watches. You can always swap out the strap for something more comfortable or adjustable. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines nostalgia with modern functionality. Skip this one if you need a watch for rigorous outdoor activities. For a stylish piece that's still practical, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list offers
product number 3, Illuminator AE1500WH series. The Illuminator AE1500WH series is another great option, priced at $29.92. If you're looking for a watch with outstanding battery life and useful features, this is worth a serious look. This watch includes a wide digital display, making it easy to read the time and functions at a glance. Its 10-year battery life means you won't have to worry about changing batteries frequently, which is fantastic for busy lifestyles. The 100-meter water resistance suits swimmers and snorkelers, while its 5 alarms keep you organized throughout the day. Plus, the LED backlight ensures you can read it even in the dark, which is a game changer for night owls. Now, some people mentioned that the watch can feel bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you're after functionality and a larger display, the bulkiness is a fair trade-off for what you get. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and want a watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer a more stylish or compact option. For the price, it's a great all-rounder. Now, product number 4, AE1200WH series. The AE1200WH series is a fantastic digital watch priced at $29.92. If you want a combination of classic style and modern features, this is worth a serious look. This watch offers a dual analog digital display that's not only stylish but also functional, featuring a world map for tracking time across different time zones. With 100-meter water resistance, it's ideal for swimming and snorkeling. The 5 daily alarms and customizable countdown timer are perfect if you have a busy schedule, helping you stay organized. The bright LED light also makes it easy to read in low light conditions, absolutely essential for night activities. Now, some users found the world time feature a bit complicated to set up, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a super handy tool for travelers and international workers. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler or need a watch that adapts to different time zones. Skip this one if you want something simpler without all the bells and whistles.
For the features offered, it's a great value. Now, if the complexities of the AE1200WH worry you, the next product has a no-nonsense approach that
Product number 5, DW9052 series. Finally, we have the DW9052 series, a men's G-Shock watch that retails for $59.92. If you need a tough, reliable watch for extreme conditions, this is worth a serious look. This watch is built like a tank, designed to withstand shocks and extreme conditions. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, it's perfect for scuba diving or water sports. The electroluminescent backlight ensures you can see the time in any lighting situation, which is crucial for outdoor adventures. Plus, the precision stopwatch and countdown timer are great for workouts or timing events, and with multiple alarms, it helps you stay on schedule. Now, some users noted that the watch can feel bulky due to its rugged design, but let's be real, if you're looking for durability, a bit of bulk is often a trade-off you have to consider. This is perfect for you if you lead an active.
So to wrap it up, if you're looking for a budget-friendly and simple option, the F91W series is solid. For vintage style, the A158WA series has a lot to offer. The Illuminator AE1500WH is great for battery life and features, while the AE1200WH combines style with utility. Lastly, the rugged DW9052 series is built for tough